In this video, I will teach you that how to remove the perspective grid in Adobe Illustrator CC. Actually, we use it from here like perspective grid tool, like we can move it from here. The purpose of using perspective grid tool, we can also extend it from here. So something we can place here, but once we have done our work, now how we can hide or remove this. So perspective grid tool, and here you can see this icon, and from here you can see a cross button. So you can hide grid. See, hide grid is showing here, so we can hide grid from here. So once I click hide grid, you can see grid is hide. So this is a simple method you can use to hide or remove the perspective grid in Adobe Illustrator CC. This is a very simple method you can follow. So subscribe my channel and share the video with your friends. Thank you so much once again.